Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with a coming soon preview. Okay, if you all can remember, I did a haul on these pearl beads that I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, now these come in two different sizes. They come in 14 millimeter, and I believe the other size is 10 or 12 millimeters. But this is 14. These are supposed to be 14 millimeter, but they look like 12, to be honest with you. But anyway, y'all, so at some point in time, I will be doing a DIY. That will be the next video that you all will get, as far as a how to make video. Okay, like I said, I got these from the Dollar Tree. I did a haul on them, and they come in two different sizes. And that's pretty much it, y'all. That's all I wanted to come and say really quick, to let y'all know what is going to be coming soon. Short preview, just explaining what's going to be coming. So for those of you who are new, if this is your very first time just stopping by, I greatly appreciate it. If you like what I do here, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And also subscribe to the channel. And you subscribe to the channel by hitting the all bell button on the side, so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. So I want to thank y'all so very much for watching and listening. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.